SpongeBob's on the hunt for buried treasure. Ooh, maybe the magic conch has something good. Buried treasure! Oh, magic conch, what can't you do? I wonder what could be inside. 1, 2 doubloons? Blocks! Even better! Now we can build whatever we want.
Wow!
Some jelly will go great with our pineapple. Wow! Now it's big enough to live in. Ooh, 2 stories. Sponge Girl sure earned herself a Krabby Patty. Well, someone likes mayo. Don't worry, guys. A fry cook is always prepared, though we'll need help. From everybody's favorite evil Cyclops. Planked in such a nice shade of green. Now, let's trim a little off the bottom. A touch of red really livens things up. But why don't we add some cheese? Don't mind the hole, it's just extra Swiss. But soon we'll have a brand new patty. Of course, this burger's not for lunchtime. It's our special tub. Add water, there's plenty down here. The same could also be said about sharks. Your finger, it's infected. Wait, no, it's just a pop tube. I'm always getting those things mixed up. But soon, it'll be our colorful new slide. And we're throwing on all the bells and whistles. Wow, it's looking great. We just gotta hook it up. And our dirty Dans are almost ready for a ride. Come on, guys, slide on down. The water's fine. Rub-a-dub-dub, 3 friends in a tub. But you guys could use some sponges? Yeah, it's probably best not to think about it. Besides, they make for a really cool couch. Then again, it's looking pretty bare. Why don't we whip up some Krabby Patty pillows? Ooh, and it looks like we ordered extra large. Meanwhile, I think we've earned a little jellyfishing break. Steady now. It's letting its guard down. Gotcha. Uh-oh. I prefer my pancakes with syrup, not jelly. Well, we could at least give you back your color. Now let's add some lines on top. But now it's time for the real heavy artillery. Hot glue. Draw out some squiggles, and soon you'll have new tendrils. And we've got the perfect place for you to hang out. Mirrors are like windows to another world. Ooh, seems like that gave Sponge Girl an idea. We can use it to make a brand new porthole window. But I think we're gonna need a new view. And what could be better than a Bikini Bottom backdrop? The ocean's a beautiful place, but it could use a few more bottom feeders. Don't worry, we'll soon get things rolling. Now let's give the top a nice fringe. Next, we'll really put everything in place. And when I said get things rolling, you know I meant it. Remember, you don't need a license to drive a sandwich. Of course, you can't forget the patty. Our secret weapon, sesame seeds. Don't tell Plankton. Oh, and headlights. Can't go wrong with headlights. Ooh, looks like it's the self-driving model. And it brought our friends, Mr. Krabs and Sandy. Now the party can really get started. Ooh, are you whipping up a disco ball? No, that's not quite it. What could it be? It kind of looks like a satellite. Oh, hold on. You're making a barbecue. We'll need charcoal. Unless you prefer propane and propane accessories. But if we want our guests to sit back and relax, we're gonna need something for them to relax on. And we might as well make it sparkle, too. Don't forget shades for that underwater sun. Crafting is thirsty work, but make sure to save that bottle cap. Just cover it up. Now we'll need our shark friend again. Yeah, we save a ton on paper shredders around here. But if you want things to have a nice shape, it's always best just to use a hole punch. We just need a little circle right in the center. Now we've got a tiny table for our tiny treats. Okay, I think the patties are about well done. Let's get it ready. Patrick looks pretty hungry. Lunch is ready, everyone. Come and get it. Ooh, you've even brought some extras. You can really taste that secret formula. All done? Well, why don't you all relax? A starfish? Hey, are you a friend of Patrick's? Well then, you can help us with our next craft. You guys want to work off those Krabby Patties? Well then, try out our new trampoline.
Okay, let's go.
Any takers? Looks like Squidward's going first. Next, Sandy's gonna get some serious air. Of course, we can't forget SpongeBob. Wow, this place has got everything, even Gary. There's always fun to be had under the sea. Just wait till you see what we've got planned for Squidward's house next. For Rumi, ice cream's like Gimbap. The bigger, the better. Ah, a life in plastic is truly fantastic. Well, speak of the Barbie, and she shall appear. It's okay, Rumi. We can make our own dream house. But first, why don't we clean you up? There's a bit of a smell, not to mention all that ice cream on your face. We need to build a bath. Now, water and cardboard don't mix. But this is a dream house, so anything goes. Sure, it's a little strange taking a bath in confetti. But all that really matters is that you have a rubber ducky. See? It even floats. Well, sort of. Ah, nothing beats a nice clean face. Of course, now we'll need new clothes. We can't exactly go shopping, but I'm sure we can whip something up. Or better yet, draw something up. Now cut it out. All it needs is a little Huntrix magic. And voila! Next, your coat. Wow, purple is your color, Rumi. That was fun, but we should really check the time. Uh-oh, she's late for a possibly important date. But soon, she'll always be on time with this new gadget. It already feels pretty homey. Or, at the very least, homemade. Don't forget the chimney. We want all the bells and whistles. Can you guess what we're making? That's right, a cuckoo clock. Of course, we gotta make sure the time is right. Otherwise, it'll only work twice a day, I think. It needs a good foundation and derpy. Derpy's always needed. Of course, I do have a question. Where's the cuckoo? Leave it to Sussy to make a big entrance. Either way, I'm pretty sure it's time to eat. You know what that means. Show us your teeth! But it's going to need a few additions. When it comes to tubes, the more the merrier. Can you guess our newest craft? Well, it's got a lid. And it looks like I wasn't wrong about those tubes. Good idea. This should put some spring in their step. It's mostly done, so we should personalize it, like with a Huntrix logo and a cute little derpy face. Did you guess? We've got our very own rice cooker. Now we can make all sorts of things, like gimbap or just plain rice. It is the best side dish. Just press a button and keep your eye on the timer, or clock, as it were. Either way, we've got rice. Just can't wait to dig in, can you? Of course, rice isn't exactly finger food. We're gonna need chopsticks. Never used them before? All you need's a simple wrap and maybe a little practice. That was good, but now Rumi will want something to wet her whistle. And what can be more refreshing than cardboard? Okay, you can't drink it, but you'll see how it can help. Grab some bottles. Holding liquids is their job. Now it's time for us to bend those straws. Remember, always save your bottle caps. 'Cause you'll never know when they'll come in handy. Why don't we add some color? How about a nice sky blue? And I wouldn't say no to some nice wallpaper. For our new soda machine, complete with your favorite fruit flavors. Wait, where's the soda? Guess we've got to fill her up. You know, all this crafting is busy work. So why don't we try it out? Pick a flavor. Ooh, apple. I mean, it's important to eat, or drink, your greens. I wonder if it tastes like apple juice. Of course, we wouldn't say no to strawberry or orange. Ooh, looks like Rumi's got someone special on her mind. Of course, if you want to talk to Rumi, We're gonna need to get you a phone plan. Ooh, now that's some cool wallpaper. Wow, Ginu's already in your contact list. He looks so full of life, all things considered. You know, 'cause he's a Saja boy. Okay, Rumi, we've got to save Ginu. We need to build something that'll help. Or conjure up the Han Moon, whatever comes first. We already started whipping up our latest cool tool. A hat? And robe? Oh, I see. It's a decoy Saja boy. But I don't think we're finished just yet. Rumi might need some weapons. Is she making a sword? Well, so far it kind of looks more like a barbell. Guess we're pumping iron. You'll need some energy. Hold on. And they say too much candy's bad for you. Soon, Rumi will be strong enough to hunt those demons. And if music doesn't work out, she can be a bodybuilder. Oh, I get it. It's training practice. Hold on, it's alive! Wow, it's just like that story where that guy makes a monster. What was it called again? Oh yeah, Pinocchio. Come on, Rumi, you've trained for this. Literally just trained. And what's more powerful than the sword? Or the pen? That's right, your voice! And I should know. So make yourself a microphone! I mean, you're a K-pop demon hunter after all. Obviously, this trick is best done with 3. But every diva needs to try a solo career now and then. That's right! Rumi's part demon, but she sings like an angel. Yeah, you're going straight into the recycling bin. Looks like Rumi's up, 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 and back on top.